Good morning, everyone, and welcome to another Soul Drives video. Quite the special video, actually. I'm sitting in a naturally aspirated V12 Ferrari, the 660 horsepower Ferrari FF, which was kindly lent to me by a subscriber, Tim. He hit me up after the GT3 video and offered me to drive his beautiful Ferrari on the Sustenpass, which I'm doing right now, because how could you say no to such an offer? And really makes me happy that I started this whole YouTube thing today on the Sustenpass. While filming the intro, there was already another subscriber saying hi to me. It's just such a cool overall experience, and yeah, over the moon and super thankful that I am able to do this now. And what can I say about the car? It's not a GT3. It's not like for super high corner speeds. It's big, it's heavy, it has a V12, it sounds absolutely insane, and it's quite some fun. First gear, you're gonna hear it once we pass some stone walls. It's insane. Like over here. And it's actually like one of the most practical cars that I've ever driven on the channel. It has 4 seats, it's super practical, has a huge trunk. I would say perfect family car. And it's all-wheel drive as well. It feels pretty overpowered for such a road, but man, that sound. 660 horsepower. It's actually a bit much for this road. Shift so aggressively. This car is honestly just about the emotional side. It's not perfect. It's an Italian car. I've never driven a car with such an engine. So much drama. And there's a tunnel. A few more. Yeah. What a car, what a car. But let's not get too much into details. I'll let you enjoy some sound, some nice visuals. Honestly, I've never driven a car with such an emotional engine, such an emotional sound.